Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to use Canva's AI text-to-image tool. Alright, so if you want to generate AI images, you can now also do that in Canva using their Magic Media tool. And if you have a Canva Pro subscription, you can generate 500 AI images per month for absolutely free. If you do not have a subscription, you can use the link in the description below and get a 14 or 30-day free trial and generate 500 AI images for free. So if you want to do that, you have to use this Magic Media tool, and it's really easy to find it. So you can also Google it. So Google Canva Magic Media and you will find it in the first position. But if you are in the image editing or the design editing interface in Canva, it's really easy to find it as well. All you have to do is scroll down on this sidebar, select apps here and search for Magic Media. And as you can see, here it is. So if you click on it, you can see that you can not only generate AI images with this, but you can also generate AI videos. And you have 50 credits per month and it will refresh every first day of the month. So, but we want to use the text-to-image tool right now. So it's really easy to use. So all you have to do is add the text prompt you want to the AI to generate. So if you do not have any prompt ideas, you can also click on Inspire Me here. So let's say vintage poster for motorcycle. Let's select this one. Then you have a lot of styles. So you do not have to add style characters here like in Midjourney. You can click on See All here and select popular styles like photorealistic, minimalist, moody, 3D, soft focus, and so on and so forth. So let's select 3D right now. And you can also select the aspect ratio, so square, landscape, or portrait. And once you added your prompt and selected the style and aspect ratio, all you have to do is click on Generate Image. And then you have to wait a couple of seconds, and 4 AI images will be generated based on our text prompt. So we get some nice AI generated images. You can click any of them, and then it will be added to the canvas. So you can increase the size of it. You can use all the AI and other image editing tools in Canva with AI images as well. So we can, for instance, remove the background of this motorcycle. And one more thing I would like to show you is that if you click on the 3 dots here, you can generate images that are more like this, or you can also generate a video from this image. And as I mentioned, you have 500 credits for free if you have a Canva Pro subscription. If you do not have one, you can use the link below to get a 30-day free trial and generate 500 AI images for free. So all in all, this is how you can use the AI text-to-image tool inside Canva. Hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to our Make Money with Canva checklist for free, where we reveal a ton of ways how you can make money with Canva and get other free Canva online marketing and AI resources, make sure to check out the links in the description below, where you can also sign up for Canva Pro for 14 days for free. Also, if you want to learn more about how to use Canva, make sure to check out our YouTube channel and playlist, because we have over 1,000 free tutorials.